Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 4.2, second question. First question first I will explain. Sorry for that. See, first question, express the following numbers in standard form. Okay, we have to write in standard form. Okay, how to write standard form? Once let us see. Standard form in the sense how to express the number of zeros in powers, that is the standard form. Okay, see here decimal number is there. Okay, 0.00000947 is there. Okay, so how many digits are there? First how to write this decimal number in the rational form, p by q form. This is the decimal number. No, this decimal number we can write in a p by q form, rational form we should write. How we can write? First how to count the digits: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 12 digits are there. Okay, decimal point after 12 digits are there. So if you remove the decimal point, you have to write in denominator 12 zeros you need to write. Okay, 947 divided by 12 zeros you need to write. Why? Because 12 digits are there total, so 12 zeros we need to write in the denominator. That only 12 zeros I wrote, which is equals to 947 divided by this number of zeros we can express in the form of 10 powers. Okay, 10 power 12, which is equals to 947 into this denominator you have to write in numerator, means it will becomes negative power, so 10 power minus 12 it will. Okay, so second bit, it is given the question, normal number is given, that number we should write in standard form, means that this number of zeros we should write in a 10 powers. Okay, so remaining number 543 as it is into how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 zeros. So into 10 power 9 we should write. This is only the standard form. Okay, next 483. Here how many zeros are there? First we need to write, count it: 1 2 3 4 5. So 483 into 10 power 5. Okay, now fourth bit, here 0.00009298 is there, no? So 9298 divided by how many zeros, how many decimal point after how many digits are there? First we should count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 digits are there, so divided by 8 digits, 8 zeros we need to write in the denominator, which is equals to 9298 into 10 power minus 8. 10 power minus 8. Now 0.0000529. So 529 divided by, here how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 digits are there, so 7 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 zeros, which is equal to 529 divided by 10 power 7. 529 into 10 power 7, positive 7 will becomes minus 7. So 529 into 10 power minus 7. Okay, next second question, express the following numbers in usual form. Okay, first bit 4.37 into 10 power 5. Here 437 by 100 into 10 power 5. Why? Because two decimal point after two digits are there, no? 1 2. So denominator we should write 100. 2 zeros we should write if you remove the decimal point. Okay, so 437 divided by 100 means 10 square we can write into 10 power 5. 437 into 10 power 5 into, here if you take the numerator, the positive power will becomes negative power. So 437 into 10 power, this is in the form of a power m into a power n. A power m minus m plus n actually, but here minus is there, means m minus n we can write. Okay, 437 into 10 power 3. 437 into 10 power 3 in the sense 3 zeros we can multiply, no? So this is the usual form. Okay, next standard form opposite, quite opposite is usual form. Standard form in the sense we should write in 10 powers. Usual form in the sense normal number we should write. Okay, this is the standard form. This standard form we should write in normal form. Okay, usual form, that only. So if you remove the decimal point, so for 58 divided by 10 into 10 power 7. Now 58 into 10 power 7 into here 10 power minus 1. Okay, numerator denominator I took as a numerator, no, so 10 power minus 1 it will becomes 58 into 10 power 7 minus 1. 58 into 7 minus 1 is 6. 58 into 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 58 into 6 zeros. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this. Okay, now third one, 32.5 into 10 power minus 4. Here 325 by 10 into 10 power minus 4. 325 into 10 power minus 4 into 10 power minus 1. 325 into 10 power minus 4 minus 1. 325 into 10 power minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. 325 by 10 power 5. Okay, now 325 by 10 power 5 means 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros. Here 0.00325. Okay, that is the usual form. Next, 3.71529 into 10 power 7. So 371529 divided by, here how many digits are there, that many zeros we can write. 1 2 3 4 5, 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 10 power 7. Here 371529 into 10 power 7 into 10 power 5. Okay, here minus 5 will come. Why? Because 10 power 5 we are taking numerator, so minus 5 will come. So this number into 10 power a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, but here minus is there means a power m minus n we can write. So this number as is into 7 minus 2 5, 7 minus 5 2, 10 power 2. Now 371529 into 10 power 2 in the sense 100. So if you multiply with 100 you will get this number. This is the usual form. Okay, next, see, in this 3789 into 10 power minus 5. 3789 by 10 power minus 5 in the sense, if you write in the denominator 5 zeros we need to write. Now we should write in decimal form. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros are there, so 5 digits after we should write the decimal point. 1 2 3 4 5 after decimal point. Next, this decimal we can write in rational form into 10 power minus 3 as it is. Now to 2436 divided by 100 into 1000. 10 power minus 3 will becomes 10 power 3 here denominator. So 100 into 1000, 1 lakh will come. So if you write this rational number into decimal form, then 5 digits after decimal point we have to write. 1 2 3 4, one more digit if you want means one more zero we need to write. Okay, now third question, size of the bacteria is this much. Given that this decimal number is, we should write in a rational form, p by q form. So how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 zeros we should write in the denominator. So 4 into 10 power 7 will become so minus 7 if you write in the numerator. Okay, the size of a red blood cells this much is given millimeters. So first the decimal number should convert into rational form, then 7 into here how many zeros that you can take in numerator, so it will becomes negative power, so 10 power minus 6 millimeters. Next, the speed of light is this much meter per second, then 3 into how many zeros are there into that number we should write meter per second. So 3 into here 8 zeros are there, so 10 power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, Next, the distance between the moon and the earth is this much approximately. So this number into 1000. Now this number into 1000 means 10 cube meter. Next, the charge of an electron is this much coulombs. 16 by, here how many zeros are there, that many we can, 16 by 10 power 19, 16 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Thickness of a piece of paper is 0.0016 centimeter. 0.0016 centimeter. 16 by 10,000 centimeter means 16 by 10 power 4 centimeter. Now 16 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter. Okay, the diameter of a wire on a computer chip is this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits are there. Okay, if you write in rational form, 5 by 6 zeros we need to write in centimeters. Now 5 by 10 power 6 centimeter, 5 into 10 power minus 6 centimeter we can write. These numbers we can write in this form. If you write in the numerator, then it will becomes 5 into 10 power minus 6 centimeters. Okay, completed. These all 3 questions completed in a exercise 4.2. This is exercise 4.2. Take the screenshot and write in your notebooks. So it is further when you are having exams, you can see the solutions and you can do the practice. Okay, for more videos please subscribe my channel. Please support me. Thank you.